Good morning, everyone. It's been a very long time since we met. Actually, my account got hacked, so I've now retrieved everything and then I get it back. Well, so once you're back, we're back for good. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so that every video that we post, you'll be the first person to watch. Well, in this tutorial, it's very simple. We'll learn one or two things in Autocad, the new version. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you all how to find wall tool in Autocad, because all the videos I have seen, there is none of them showing showing how to find the wall tool, and beginners are really worried about how to find the wall tool. So let's get to it. Let's just open a new file, and as you all can see, this place is not somewhere that you can find the wall tool. There's no wall tool here. So what we'll do is we'll just have to come down here to the workspace, and then we'll just hit on 3D modeling, and that is it. Once it comes, it will switch to it, and then you find your wall tool here, and that is it. That is how to find the wall tool in Autocad as a beginner. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this every day, and stay safe till we meet again, family. Adios.